All right, guys, welcome back. We got a little treat for you. Yes. We had a request to do this video one more time.
Yes.
This is our famous camping taco potatoes.
That everyone requests that we make for them. I grew up on these, you guys eating them, but they're so great to make Rving because they're great for leftovers.
And they're easy.
Yes.
So, to get started, I took 2.5 pounds of hamburger. I fry it up. I put my taco seasoning in right at the beginning, before, right when the burger's raw. I cook that seasoning in with it, and then I drain it, and then I add more taco seasoning, and then water, and I boil that up in my hamburger. Oh, and it's so just scrumptious, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Delicious.
So
okay.
We're gonna build our tacos.
Yep. So
and here's
I came up with this last year, you guys.
This is Shauna's famous so you can buffet kits.
You can buy 10 of these in a pack at Walmart. They used to be like $2.50. Come on, Walmart. Now they're like $5.32. Still worth it. So when you're having a camping party and you want to cook for all your friends and you want to set it all up where they don't have to worry about anything, you buy
dishes, you get the buffet kit.
You get a buffet kit. And when you do, you get the buffet kit and you pre-make them. You put a paper towel in there, and then we have a fork and a spoon, and we put them in there, and then we make these taco potatoes, and we take them out so everybody, there's nothing you need except for your own drink. And then we brought all the food out last year, and we served, I think we made 8 taco potatoes, one for everyone.
So here's the taco potato, guys.
That's how big it is. That's a big one.
What I do is I oil the skin.
So good.
Put Himalayan salt on it, wrap it in this, and then I cook it in the convection oven. Yep. Watch this, guys. Let's build these turkeys.
Yep, and we got some cheese here. We got ranch here. We got sour cream. Now, if you guys want tomatoes, lettuce, we've done all of that, but we don't have any tomatoes right now or regular lettuce. So we're gonna.
Oh my gosh.
Now, my potato, you guys. Now that's 3 meals for me. My food does not digest as fast as Scott's. So
oh my gosh, guys, beautiful.
I only eat a cup at a time. So this is 3 meals for me. So let's make.
So what we do is you scar your potato. Take 2 paper towels and you mush this baby like that. Bam! Woo, doggy.
Or
look at that.
Or you cut it in the. Or you can cut it this way.
See, like that. And then we'll fill this with all the good stuff. The taco meat, cheese, sour cream, everything.
Yeah. Now mine's still in aluminum. And I'm kind of squishing it inside the aluminum and then I dump it out.
Yeah.
Pick up our hamburger, taco meat.
Let's put some in the microwave.
Oh. It's still nice and warm for me. So
taco meat.
You put as much as you want.
Yeah.
So I know this is going to be 3 meals, you guys. So I'm going to get it all layered. I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to put my sour cream and ranch just on the part that I'm going to eat. So then the leftovers, I'm going to have me some lunch tomorrow.
And I'm cubing mine.
Yeah, I'm just going to it's going to be so, what a monster mess of taco meat.
Oh, what a monster.
So see how big that gets?
Woo, look at that.
You don't necessarily
Hold on,
need to cook a big potato. Normally we cook smaller potatoes, but this is what we had, you guys.
Yeah, these are baking potatoes.
So Scott's gonna do his.
Just throw a little meat on there, be looking good.
And normally, you guys, so now I got it like this with the cheese. So now I'm just gonna microwave it like this. That's why you didn't need because we already pre-cooked the meat like 2 hours ago. So now I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Woo, that's hot in there. Give it a little cheese melt.
Get me some cheese here.
I'm telling you guys, this is the bomb for leftovers. And it's so easy. Potatoes and taco meat and cheese, sour cream and ranch. Oh, it's my favorite. My favorite meal. And both of us
it used to be really cheap, but hamburgers going through the roof. So.
Yeah.
But it's all good. This is look at that plate of food right there.
That's a big plate.
Look at that plate of food.
That's definitely 3 meals.
All the way around, baby.
Nope.
I don't have the sour cream yet. All my good stuff. It's coming.
Wait till you see my melted cheese one, guys. We are hungry. Can you tell? We're
Well,
so
I gotta get the
excited.
microwave too. Oh, you're really melting it.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah, looking
still-
good. Guys, that concludes my job.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go over here, sit in my chair, and feed my face.
Look at that big leftover though, you guys.
Enjoy, guys.
That's 2 meals right there. 2 more meals for me. Out of
Ooh,
1
doggy.
potato, taco meat, and cheese that I could eat on for another 2 more days. That's why I love this meal so much. Okay guys, mine is out. Let me show you here. I'm gonna plop on a good healthy amount of sour cream. And
Pop on a good healthy amount if I spilled my milk everywhere.
can you open that? Okay. And then you guys see I take my ranch and I just drizzle a little bit. And real quick, you guys, here's a great tip. So when we serve those 8 people, I put the cheese, the taco meat, and smaller potatoes so they were easier to eat. And then you put them back in the oven. You get all the cheese all melted, so you keep them in the aluminum foil. We brought them out in like a little basket with the buffet kits, everything in our little wagon, and we walked over to our friend's house with them. So everyone took out a potato. The meat and the cheese was already melted. So all they had to do was put ranch or sour cream or tomatoes on it. So that's how you make it super easy. We kind of did it the hard way today by using really big potatoes. So yeah, just get some small baked potatoes and pre-make them, bake the cheese in, and your family's going to love them. So, well, I wish you guys can smell it. Sour cream and
we
ranch.
got smell-o-vision. We're looking into smell-o-vision, you guys.
I got a little sun today, you guys. Can you tell? Whoops, I got a little sunburnt. But anyways, okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you. If you make this for your family, you need to come back and leave a comment and let me know what they think. And if you're RVing, let me know if you make it for a bunch of people. Make 8 potatoes, 10 potatoes, however many people you have over. And
5 pounds of burger.
surprise your guests with taco potatoes because they are the bomb.
Nothing better.
Yep.
Peace out, guys.
Yep. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Like and share. Oh, baby.